ก็ส่งสมาคมนะนะครับนี่มอบกันกูกอนเปิลในขนมทั้งไงเพลย์ออฟตีไปเราเวียงเทมแม่ก็เดินชิป้าช่วยนั่งกับลาซินเลเจนด์ในขนมเกมตีไป
โอ้โกแลนด์ปีกาสมัยบ้านบนนี่ชางสปรายในสมัยสปรายบ้านเราเต้ฟอสปอร์ตไอรถมาได้เต้เวียงหาดันคลาวด์พอได้บ่าไลท์ท้ายหนึ่งไม่เก่ง
บ่าช่างอะไรช่วยนะว่าไม่ได้บอลเล่นถวยการเล่นหายาบุษาเอาสะสูเมื่อน้อง
บ่าช่วยบีเมาส์ช่วยไต่ชนะแต่ขอได้เรานักเล่นยอดเลยจังไอ้
Infinite Note 5 ซับเซียเชีย Infinite AI จำนวนทำไมโทรศัพท์ระเบิดเลือนรุนลุ้นครบดมร้อยกะไม่ต่อแฝง90 วัตต์ชาร์จร้อยไซด์ตะบนเมกเฮิร์ต120 RPS ช่วยหนึ่งโหลด5 ซับเซียอัมพีอะไรที่ฉันนั่งมาดอชับในพอไหนกับเพลย์ถวยการเตะโทรศัพท์ในบูด Infinite
อย่าช่วยสเปนแอมแลนด์บอลชาดวัดจะได้ King Ari นเตะทุกคนเราจะมานั่งวาลเดนสออฟเฟรนเตะก็จะชนะสถิติแต่มีphysical นำมาจาก defense บวกดับชิมนั่นเป็นแต่ก่อนซาชิมของสายสไปเลย
บ่ามันใช้การทวายเปรี้ยปีวอร์เมียบอลเลยนี่กันเนี่ย
ลอยสด
ดังแต่ออนมีริตรีไงไว้โกแกรบไปบ่าถ้าเลิกปากเนี่ยเต็มตัวตาเมียไปให้สำหรับแฮร์โร่เตียงปีไอ้ปารีนแลนเต้
บ่ายังจำมาเมื่อกลูแกไม่ได้บาสเซนจีขโมยในเคลียร์บอกแกบ้านแต่บีมาหนึ่งบังสำหรับคดีไอ้ได้หรือเต้เยอะจมูกเราคดีจมูกในแฮร์โร่ซ่า
bà làm cái tranh map test ngặt chân như này đó
bà
vì sinh lén thở này thằng tranh ót bị mống
สำหรับช่างก่อนแต่งเพลงนี้บ่ยังใหญ่จมูกในการเชียนเปลี่ยนแต่เลยตักได้โดยจีออดเลยหัวเราฟ้าเมาส์สมาร์ทเนี่ยยอมหมด
bà sợเชียนเปลี่ยนตักได้bà miền tâyจมูกยังเฉลยสัก
จอม
ขอม
ว่าทางกรามโดยจีอะไรดีขึ้นวันนั้นพลังมีแรงก็มีการเคลียร์มาหรือแวะบวนปีชาโดซีแคทอันนี้ประตูหรือแวะบวนในขนมตีปันนี่ดีขึ้นบ่าแต่เอาบางแมวพี่กระเด็นสายเพื่อการจับจมูกทางซ้ายพอโยตามดอกใต้ซ้ายพอต้องไม่หรือแวะบวนเต้ก็โดยจีกันแล้วนี่จมูกการไตโยตามทอโยตามดอกขับบอลเพลย์พี่เข่งไอเรนตีมวยป้องพี่ลินในขึ้นจมูกการมันพี่เข่งไอเรนปะตายโยมาอยู่ในการจับเอาตัวสาสู้เพื่อปลอมาได้โชว์จมูกในวันเป็นเลงการอาตแมนพี่กระเด็นสายเพื่อการชิคอนและเข่งไอเรนดอกขอโยนมากลางเป็นจมูกเข่งไอเรนจ้องใต้หน้าลางพาซิลจมูกมาได้จ้องไกลตัดหน่อยซีแคท
ไม่เท่านั้นพวกบอบีเมาจากเข่งไอเรนจะดัดบ่าขณะไปได้ยอสานไปได้ในเมฆกลูโอมาจีรันทด
บ่าได้พี่ได้เดลวิกี
จะดังได้ขลุ่ก็เมื่อไว้เคยปีศาจนั่งเยอะดังแต่ก่อนเปรี้ยวให้เราเนาะเบียจันจมูกนั่งขลุ่คลั่งไม่เด็ด
ก็จังยอสักเมา
เบิร์ดหลายบ้า
บอดแดกตาไม่ดอกถอย
บ้าก็ดังก็จังแกงไตนั่งอะไรยอ
ให้ไม่ติดให้ยาเฉียดเราแต่สูบพงมาพอดคือตะเลสางนั่งไงแล้วไปได้ให้ยาพงมาสาดอาตีกึ่งหอบแต่มาอาตีได้เจ้าเลย
บ้า
อาจจะนอนสาคลั่งก็ยังให้ยามาพงสางนั่งไง
บ้า
จบไปใช้ยมกุชข้าวเนี่ยยมกระตองเคยนาสานั่งไทยมาถือพริกนะแต่กับเราก็เมียนเอาไว้มุ้ยแต่จังเปลี่ยนยังยังเมื่อเคยยังจะเมื่อต่างกันเนี่ย
บ้า
ช่วงบ่าหัวแรดแก้มก็เด้อบ่บ้านสายนี่
บ่าสมัยนั้นเป็นอะไรกระโหลกจีบานเนาะนั่งยังตั้งแต่ตัวยอมบอกด่าสัตว์นั่งเต้าไวจมูกนั่งเคลียไอต่อได้ไปเลย
บ่าก็เลยมาเมื่อชั่วโมงยังไงทีมเราบอกโกแลนด์แตงปีชิมวยนั่งโกโดยเฉพาะพายคนนี้เต้ลิดมาร้อยปีวันนี้เราบอกวิกกี้ตะเลยไลฟ์ปลายหายาภาษาในขนมแกมนี้หันสไลด์อันหนึ่งจังดีคนนี้สะสมเข้าไป
เป็นแล้วนะ
บ่า
แล้วตั้งเยอะมา
บ่อชาดอตาดอริตรีมวยป่งปัญหาสะสู้เนี่ยริตรีมันชิมวยเนี่ยพ่อบ่อเตะอาตแมนมวยปีการรวมกับวิลิโอปีวิกกี้บ่าเอาหาตีได้กันเนี่ย
จะเชียร์มวยกระท้อตีปีกับมันการล้างได้ปล่อยกระท้อมื่อนี้ไอ้น้องประมาณชิมในการคอนเทสต์ผัวมีเฮโร่นะไวท์ไบค์กับเลยกระดันสาย
บ่า
พวกกระดันสายนะซอสเปลเชียมเนี่ยคือมีเพียงร้อย
สายจอม้าบีเมาส์ขวานมาชาโดเราเชียม
ค่ะให้น้องบีมอดาตีมาดาตีก็ได้เจ้าเดียวมั้งคนที่ตาตะเก็บขวานพกฉลองก่อนนะ
บ่าฟาสะท้อเรื่องก่อนนะมันพี่เข่งไอรีจอดจมูกนะกระเด็นสายจอดน้องจมูกซีแคกับปานอาตีหนึ่งเนี่ยตรีวิวสันปานจมูกวันนี้เป็นมาสะสมได้เมื่อจมูกวันนี้เป็นมาการลดอาตียอดตามน้องปีศาจมาตัวการดอกทอยปานยอดมีเนี่ยดัดเด้ทอมวยเนี่ยกับบานตะเลยทีมเมกของได้
โว้บ่าจมูกนึงทีมเก็บจังไว้ทีมไฟไอออลเลนเนี่ยแต่แกจังมาทำนายยอดทอดาใช้ยัดเฟอร์บานเยอะมั้ง
บ่าอย่างเข่งไอริสก็โลเชียมออดอาตีนี่ปงไปกันหลายนี่เรื่องก่อนนะตายจมูกจมูกการรวมวิลิโอตามน้องพีเบกี้อาร์ตแมนปีลาเด็กนี่ตะใบโควาคุณนายก็เลยจิโควาจมูกเข่งจมูกการลาชิโก้ก็เลยเข่งไอริสเมื่อไรจอดแต่ดาวของเตี้ยมันมาได้จมูกมาได้จงกระดิ่งการชาร์ดดาวน์ตะเลยชาร์ดมาได้
ชาร์ดก็สมัยจัดชิโก้ได้เนาะ
บ่า
ในขนมเทียร์วันเตรดกี้
บ่า
น้ำเมื่อนั้นเป็นอย่างพิกออฟเกนในขนมอะไรสาแบบนั้น បើយើងឆ្នៃពេលយូរគេដល់ flank មកពី
ហើយមិញក្រុម5ទីដែលអត់ដល់ next seal
កណាទេពីកដិនសាចាក់ពេលមួយទៅលើ King Airy ក៏ដូចជាមានការដកថយតែម្ដងប៉ុន្តែកដិនសាអត់មានបញ្ហាដែរទេក៏ដូចជាការសូបស្កេកមកពី VK ដូចគ្នាអល់តាម៉េតអស់ពី BMO
បា
បាទ
ខំ
អូ
ដោយតែបាននិយាយសាស៊ូស្ថិតក្នុងប្រភេទចាំង color មួយរូបដែលមានល្បឿនហ្វាមលឿនផងដែរ
បាទអាយ
លេត្រីអត់ដូចគ្នាទៀតបាទអញ្ចឹងផផបរបស់សាក់ស៊ូនៅតែមានឱកាសនៃការយកដដែលបាទអូមានការថាមីងផផនេះគាត់ទុកសម្រាប់តថលនេះមានអារម្មណ៍អញ្ចឹង
បាទ
អើយយយ
Oh my G
30វិនាទីមុននឹងគាត់យកផផបដើម្បីថាមីងជាមួយនឹងផផបនេះឲ្យមានតន់ជាមួយនឹងតថលទី3វ៉ាវបាទឡំតែនជាមួយនឹង flow មួយនេះរបស់សាក់ស៊ូ
បាទល្បែ10លើល្បែ9ទៅលើលីន
បាទកម្រងកញ្ចប់ MLBB បានពេជ្រនឹងលេង Mobile Legends តាមចិត្តចាប់សប្តាហ៍$1កន្លះទៅបាន56ពេជ្រកញ្ចប់ប្រចាំខែ$6ទៅបាន235ពេជ្រកុំភ្លេច download Cell Card App ទាំងអស់គ្នាដើម្បីភ្ជាប់គម្រោង
បាទអូយសាក់សូយករបស់គាត់ក៏ហ្វាមលឿនដែរ
យេបច្ចុប្បន្នកាលលុយតាមលើសលីនវិញបានអើ
បាទ
Goal Land 2គឺ Wiki League តិចបានតិច
បាទ
4ឲ្យលុយ
បាទ
បាទឡើយ Midland clear ជាមួយនឹង Minion បានល្អខ្លាំងតែពីវត្តមានរបស់ teammate set up ពី King Airy King Airy តែងតែ lock ជាមួយនឹង Hero ដែលនៅ front line នេះគ្នាប៉ុន្តែមានការបើក ultimate យកតែម្ដងពីវត្តមានរបស់ Kadensa អាចមានការ retrieve ពីសាក់ស៊ូបានឬក៏បាន retrieve ពីសាក់ស៊ូបានល្អខ្លាំងតែជាមួយនឹងការដកថយកោរំលាយយកតែម្ដងពីវត្តមានរបស់ Lin ជាមួយការដកថយប៉ុន្តែ Kadensa ក៏មានការបាត់បង់យកតែម្ដង Cypher ផ្ដាច់ចុងក្រោយពី King Airy ជួយនឹងការផ្ដាច់ទៅលើ Shadow បណ្ដាទៀតបណ្ដាហើយវ៉ាវបាននឹងថយកបានទៅពី Hero ពីវត្តមានរបស់ teammate
មិញគឺគេវាយទៅលើសាដោអត់ឲ្យជីកកយកមក
បាទ
ស្តានរហូតពី King Airy មិញអានោះណា
យេ
ចូល
អត់ឲ្យបានជីកយ៉ាងណាវិញ team fight មាន5ទៅនឹង4នោះទេបើក្រៅនៅដូចគ្នា
បាទ
straight មិញល្អប៉ុន្តែយកបានតែ2 Hero
អូយជន់
គេនៅតែចំណេញអត់ខាតហង
ចុំ
straight ជាមួយ Tier 1 straight ខាងក្រោមក៏មិនជាការខាតបង់ឲ្យធ្ងន់ធ្ងរសម្រាប់ពួកគាត់ដែរ
បាទប៉ុន្តែចាំងកលទៅចាំងកលគឺសាក់ស៊ូដាច់ឆ្ងាយណា បាទទៅកាន់លេន
បាទ
មើលតែ level ក៏ខុសគ្នា2 level ដែរបាទចាំងកលទៅចាំងកលលេននៅនេះបាទ4,500
អូ
ទល់5,400ដាច់4ឲ្យលុយ
Kadensa ធ្វើការណយទៅលើជាមួយនឹង King Airy ប៉ុន្តែអាចនឹងយកជាមួយនឹង T1 Red នៅខាងផ្លូវ top lane បណ្ដាជាមួយនឹងការបើក map ពី Kadensa បោះ Shadow ពី lane ដូចគ្នាអាចនឹងចូលទៅយក T1 នឹងចាក៏មួយដកថយបានដែរទេដកថយបានហើយ Destroy Trend នៅខាងផ្លូវបតំ lane បណ្ដាពួកសាស៊ូ
អាហ្នឹងសាក់ស៊ូអត់បានហើយយ៉ាងផង
បាទ
Oh my សាក់ស៊ូបាទចុំសាក់ស៊ូ play off mode my train បាទមេឃជាក្រុមនៅគេល្បីនៅក្នុងផ្ទៃក្នុងថាអាចនឹងសល់អ្វីច្រើនគឺសល់ច្រើនមកគេមែន
បាទ
បាទសូម្បីតែលេងមានផាឡាអត់ចាញ់អីតដល់សោះប៉ុន្តែប៊ីនឹងរបូតដូចគ្នាប៊ីនឹងរបូតដូចគ្នា
បាទ
វាបដិសេរីបើចាញ់មហាឡា
បាទមួយចាំទឹកមួយចាំគោកសល់គ្រប់យ៉ាងហ្មងមកលេងមួយ Galaxy Legend
បាទចាក់ stand មួយទៅលើ Cypher ក៏ដូចជាមានការឆឹកពីវត្តមានរបស់ B mode ដូចគ្នា
អូយអូយ
បាទឈឺណា
មាន Fishing Lantern នៅទេ
អត់គាត់មានគីឡូវិញវាយ
មកមាន Fishing Lantern ទៀតដឹងមិនម៉ែ
បាទ
មក damage របស់ Bimo មិញចឹងបើសិនជាកណ្ដានសាអាណៃ front line បានហ្គេមហ្នឹងប្រហែលណាព្រោះតែគាត់ front line មែនទេ
Team Pilot សបួរ Team Pilot
ទៅដល់ធ្វើការសូតេកមួយប៉ុណ្ណាបោះ Dexter ទៅខាងក្រៅវិញពី VK clear ជាមួយនឹង Minion បានល្អខ្លាំងតែជាមួយនឹង Lord ក៏មានការស្បល់មកក្នុងរយៈពេល1វិទៀតតែបន្តជាមួយនឹង Lord Infinite បាទ
Lord Infinite
បាទ
ចង់វាក់បាទឥឡូវ Lord ទី1បានមកដល់ហើយជាមួយនឹងសាក់ស៊ូជាមួយនឹងការអូស Lord ការអូស Lord មកនេះដូចជាមិនសូវល្អទេវត្តមាន Cloud របស់ Vicky នៅខាងលើ4ទល់នឹង5តែក៏យ៉ាង
ប៉ា
ណា
ស Lord ឬក៏ណាកាដែនសាចាក់ស្តាន់ទៅលើ Cyber Retrieve ពីសាស៊ូក្រាំងទេយកទៅដល់ជាមួយនឹងការ Lord 3បងយកទៅដល់ពី Cyber បានឡើងទៅជាមួយនឹងការបាត់ទៅលើជាមួយនឹងកាដែនសាលិនក៏មានការតបក្រាំងទេវាយពីឡាយជាមួយនឹងការ shut down បាត់បង់អស់3ហើយលាក់បំតែ Cyber មួយតែបន្តជាមួយនឹងជួបបាន Lord ទី1ពី Team Make
អីយូយ
Shadow អត់ដែរបានជីងទេ
បាទគាត់ខាងមួយពីសាស៊ូក៏ដូចជាសល់2រក្នុងការតូប Minion មកដែរ
ខ្ញុំឆ្លល់ចេះ gameplay 4-5 Lord បានគេហើយតែមិនក៏មានវាយដែរទៀត
យើងអត់ដឹងដែរប្រហែលជាគាត់មើលឃើញថាបើមានរឿងអីកើតឡើងធីមឈ្នះអញ្ចឹងតាចាញ់ Shadow បានជីនោះទេ
ហើយអត់បានជីមក King Ari អណយវិញ
Cloud នៅនោះទេគាត់ដឹងដូចគ្នាថា4-5យកដឹងដូចគ្នាប្រហែលជាគាត់មើលឃើញអ្វីយើងមើលឃើញ
បាទ
បាទហើយគាត់គិតថាបើសិនគេបញ្ចប់ដល់ជីបានហ្គេមអាចឈ្នះអញ្ចឹងណាវ៉ាវ
តែខ្ញុំឃើញវិញថាចុំស៊ីនហ្វៃហ្នឹងគួរតែបញ្ចប់តែគាត់
3K
បញ្ចប់ណា
កកាយ 3K គោលបើលុយឆ្ងាយពេកអាចនឹងសោងាន
អ ឱកាស comeback 34%ពីកីឡាស៊ីឱកាសឈ្នះហ្គេមរបស់ Team Mac 66%
បាទនៅផ្លូវមីឡែនមានការបន្តជាមួយនឹងពងរបស់សាកដូចគ្នាក៏ដូចជាមានការបាក់ skill យកតាមពីឆាពេញស្ទេឡើងជេឬក៏មិនជេទៅលើ King Area ប៉ុន្តែអត់ហ៊ានជីទៅលើ King Area ទេជាមួយនឹងការអស់ RT ដូចគ្នាពី Cadenza
បាទជីមិនលងម្ដង
4K goal លិតពី Team Mac 6ទៅ3 kill
បាទ
អាយ៉ា
ទៅដល់វិញជាមួយនឹង Pop បលេងឲ្យទៅលើសាក់ស៊ូ
លេងហើយបាទទ្រព្យសម្បត្តិរបស់យើងទាំងម៉ាល់ម៉ានត្រូវគេប្លន់អស់ហើយបាទចាប់បានទាំងឆ្លើយសឹកទៀតបាទអស់លីង 4K ក៏មិនតន់អាចកំណត់ថាឈ្នះបានដែរ Galaxy ក៏នៅតែមានឱកាសអញ្ចឹងព្រោះបច្ចុប្បន្នកាល Golan ទាំងពីរខុសគ្នាតែ100 goal អីតែប៉ុណ្ណោះ
បាទចាំងកលទៅចាំងកលដាច់ 3000 លុយគត់តែម្ដងបាទអត់ទេ Golan នៅលុយស្មើណាមួយហ្គេមនេះ Team Fight 5ស្មើក៏តន់ឃើញនេះខ្មែរពី Galaxy Legend ចាំងកលទៅចាំងកលដាច់ 3000 លុយតែដាច់ level តែ2 level ទេ
អូសូស្ទេកក៏ Dexter ទៅវិញលឿនឆ្កយកតាមដងពីវិញគេប៉ុន្តែមានការជាប់ជាមួយនឹងរនាំងរបស់ King Area គ្នាអស់ RT យកតាមដងជាមួយនឹង Cadenza ដើម្បី slow ជើងទៅលើ Cypher ក៏ដូចជា Bimo ប៉ុន្តែប្រើ RT មួយក៏ដូចជាមានការដកថយទៅវិញផងដែរពី Vicky បាទជាមួយនឹងការបោះ Dexter
បាទឆ្នាំវងវាយឆ្នាំតាញ់វិញ
បាទ
អាលឿន
បាទ
បាទ scan ជាមួយនឹង stake បន្ថែមទៀតថត lot ទី2នឹងមកដល់នៅ38វិនាទីទៀតបច្ចុប្បន្ន Vicky អត់តន់ជន់ Team Fight នោះទេតែឥឡូវនេះដូចជា5ទល់5ហើយ
បាទ
Secret
ដល់អស់ស្តែកមួយជាមួយនឹង King Area cover គ្នាបានល្អខ្លាំងតែជាមួយនឹងការដេញម៉ាត់បើកមុខបានល្អពី King Area ធ្វើការក្រាក់ទេវាយជាមួយនឹង Cadenza មុនគេយកតាមដងទីមេចេញពីឡាយគឺច្រើនខ្លាំងមែនទែនជាមួយនឹងការបោកវាយមួយទល់នឹង4បែប
lot ការតន់ lot ការតន់ lot Cadenza ការតន់
បាទ
5K goal lit
អូចូលស្តាន់ជាមួយនឹងការដកនឹកស្តាន់ក៏ដល់ការផ្ដាច់ឆាត់ដល់ពី2មកនាទីអាទីពី Vicky ឡូឈៀមធ្វើការជាមួយនឹងរូបភាពបែបនេះឬក៏យ៉ាងណាជាមួយនឹងការបោះ shadow មកមកដែរពីលេនគឺដូចជាការវាយជាមួយនឹង K straight វាយទេឬក៏យ៉ាងណាវាយទេមកចូលតាមជាមួយនឹងការវាយទេពីទេមកវាយទេអត់ជួយទេជាមួយនឹងការដល់ទៅតែជាមួយនឹងលេននេះគ្នាពីវត្តមានបោះឡាយតាក់ក្រាំងទេមកពី Cadenza ធ្វើការចាប់ស្តាន់ទៅលើឡាយចាប់មិនជាប់ទេជាមួយនឹងការកោះ T3 នៅខាងផ្លូវ top lane មកដែរពីទេមេបកទៅហើយបកតែឬក៏មិនទៅជាមួយនឹងឡាយអត់មានទេជាមួយនឹងការដកថយមកវិញដើម្បីយកជាមួយនឹង Lord មួយនេះមកដែរ
អត់បាទ
my G
យកឡតសិនមួយឈៀលកាយឈៀល
អាយបាទផលិតផលមកគួរជឿ Team Mac សងគ្រប់យ៉ាងមកលេងជាមួយនឹង Galaxy Legend ម្ដងម៉ែ
អាវុធសំខាន់គេទុកដកមកចាក់ហ្គេមហ្នឹង
ខ្ញុំអង្គុយមើល stat មើលអ្វីគ្រប់យ៉ាងយកតែម្ដង
មិញគឺឆែនគ្នាដូចស្អីហ្នឹង
បាទ
ប្រាក់នេះខោក្បាលយើងយកមក
បើសិនជាយក Golan early បានវាយចាញ់ឈ្នះអស់ចិត្តតែពេលដែល Galaxy Legend គាត់ថាអាចនឹងមាន late game ក៏ដូចជាគាត់រំពឹងថា early វាយបានតែ early វាយបាននោះទេផ្ទុយទៅវិញ game នេះគឺខោបដល់ទៅ 6K ឡតមួយនេះទោះបីជាណាក៏ដោយក៏មានការលិតលុយច្រើនយកទៅមែនដែរតែ game អាចនឹង end ដូចគ្នាត្រឹមនាទីមួយនេះដូចគ្នាមកដែរ
បាទ
ជប់សិន King Area មាន spell flicker ឯ Bimo ក៏អត់មានដែរ game ហ្នឹងអាចប្រហែលបើសិនជា Ballon ហ្នឹងគាត់ over នឹង criticality ខ្លាំងពេកអាចនឹងមានការ comeback មកពី King Team Galaxy ដូចគ្នា
Shadow បានជីសោះតែម្ដង
ប៉ុន្តែមិន
ជីបានម្ដង game ហ្នឹងជីបានម្ដង
Vicky មាន winter ground ហ្នឹងណាបាទទៅដល់វាយជាមួយនឹង T3 នៅខាងផ្លូវ bottom lane ជាមួយនឹងការកោះ3ផ្លូវយកតាមដល់ពីវត្តមានបានធ្វើការចាក់ជាមួយនឹង stand មួយទៅលើ Cadenza ប៉ុន្តែមានការក្រាក់ទេយកតាមដល់ជាមួយនឹងវត្តមានបាល់ line សមដែរជាមួយនឹង Cadenza ធ្វើការយកតាមដល់ Cadenza អត់ទេពី Vicky ប៉ុន្តែជាមួយនឹងការវាយទេពីវត្តមានបាល់ទេឡាយវាយទេចេញជំនះលើកបាល់2ទៅ1ទៅបានទៅលើ Team